Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jack up an Infiniti G35. First, ensure your car is on a level, hard surface, and engage the parking brake. Place wheel chocks behind the rear wheels if you are lifting the front, or in front of the front wheels if lifting the rear. This crucial step prevents any accidental rolling. Always prioritize safety by having your equipment ready and understanding the proper points before you begin. For the front, locate the main central jacking point, which is a reinforced crossmember situated just behind the engine oil pan. Once lifted, carefully position your jack stands under the reinforced frame rails, located on either side of the vehicle, just behind the front wheels. Slowly lower the vehicle onto the stands, ensuring it is stable before you begin any work. This method provides a secure and balanced lift. Moving to the rear, the most common central jacking point is the rear differential. Position your jack squarely under its sturdy housing. Once the rear is lifted to your desired height, place your jack stands under the reinforced pinch welds located just in front of the rear wheels. These points are designed to support the vehicle's weight safely. Double-check that the car is firmly seated on all stands before proceeding. Safety is paramount when working under any vehicle. Always use at least 2 jack stands once the car is lifted, never just the jack itself. Before getting under, give the car a gentle shake to confirm it's stable on the stands. When you're done, reverse the process carefully. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial stability, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.